I think that
Correct.
itself
Correct,
is
but
significant. It's not without its significance.
Correct, but look at it like this, conversely, looking at it as being a marginal victory for them, they'll be happy. But really, in the larger scale of things, is going from a 50 to an 80 really a victory,
Okay.
So I don't, it might add some, new
it's a
life,
Congress has done
in
well.
the party.
At least you could have a strong opposition in parliament.
Absolutely.
Matlab
I have to put one thing in perspective, that Congress is doing well, but they are gapping holes in the performance. There used to be a saying when as a cup reporter लोग बोलते थे कि कांग्रेस में मध्य प्रदेश में नेता बहुत हैं लेकिन पार्टी वर्कर्स नहीं है. अब नेता कौन होते थे? आपके अर्जुन सिंह होते थे, you had मोतीलाल वोरा, you had सुरेश पचौरी, you had दिग्विजय सिंह, and I can just go on and on and on. And look at the numbers from Madhya Pradesh, 29-0. BJP is sweeping all the 29 seats. We have not spoken about Madhya Pradesh, but I'm just putting it on record that Congress as a national party cannot afford to have zeros in states. If you want to be a national party, you need to have some numbers or you need to be seen to be expanding.
See, also,
I am not taking anything away from the Congress.
Also taking on new territory, this whole Vindhya Par, is bar Vindhya Par, they've broken into new territory, what it seems like as of now, and I think that will...
The BJP.
The
They have expanded their South India footprint. There's no doubt
And
about
I
it.
think they expanded it knowing that thoda bahut
If
anti-incumbency
BJP wouldn't
hoega.
have done well in Odisha and West Bengal, I'm telling you, this numbers would have been, NDA numbers would have been below 260. The fact that
The
they're broken,
South and the East may actually come to the rescue of the NDA.
Absolutely.
But I think that is something that they had already figured,
Okay.
That's why there was such a push towards the South
but
and the East.
Karthiki, we need to talk about Uttar Pradesh. India 40, NDA 40. I mean, this is a party that won 71 out of 80 seats in 2014,
Okay.
62 out of 80 in 2019. Many said, okay, maybe they'd reached their saturation point. Others said, no, they're going to do better than last two times. And look at this. If these numbers hold, the two coalitions are, the two alliances are neck and neck in the politically most important state in this country called Uttar Pradesh.
yes, see, with that benefit of doubt will go to Akhilesh Yadav, but